Get training for car stereo installation. Being a car stereo installer can be a fun and challenging job that can bring you good income. Attending a car audio exposition will give you a great idea on how big the business is and the types of clients this brings. It is a very good motivator if you are interested in becoming a car stereo installer. Here are some ideas on how to get training for car stereo installation. If you are a self-learner, there are some instructional videos that you can buy. This will help you go through the step-by-step process of car stereo installation as well as other instructions related to car stereo installation such as designing and fabricating enclosures, fabrication of fiberglass enclosures and installing car alarm systems for the price of one. Buying an instructional video is cheaper than attending a vocational school. You can visit the Car Audio Help website and take a look at the instructional video they have. It should not drive you away from getting an MECP certification that can lead to better paying jobs. MECP is the acronym for Mobile Electronics Certified Professional. The Consumer Electronics Association owns and manages the MECP certification program. There are 3 levels for certification: Basic, Advanced and Master Installation Technician. The program also handles certification for Mobile Product Specialist, which is taken by those who want to be certified sales agents for mobile products. Once you have learned the basics, you should try to practice on your own. Check the car stereo installed in your car and practice removing and reinstalling it. Check wiring diagrams, which are different for each car model. You can look at Install Doctor for instructions. The site provides installation instructions for different car models. Click on the Install It Yourself tab on the right side and it will lead you to a page where you can choose from a selection of car manufacturers. Click on the Quick Wiring Info tab to download the wiring instructions for a few cars. If you believe that this can be the line of work that you would like to pursue, then inquire at the local community colleges in your area and look at the mobile electronics courses they offer. Review the course syllabus to find out which class is suitable for you. You can take a look at some of the schools here, including some course description and tuition fees. If you have some practical knowledge and a lot of enthusiasm and drive to learn more, try the apprenticeship route. You can look for an apprentice job with a car audio sales outlet and demonstrate your capability and willingness to learn more. You will not only have a job, you will also be able to get training for free. A car audio mechanics shop may also be a good training ground for car audio installation. ask for referral from family and friends and get hired as an apprentice. This is also a good way to learn and earn, and you will be hands-on most of the time. Car stereo installation is easy. It is the gathering of knowledge to do this right, and applying the theory to practice in different cars is what makes the difference. Invest in the time to learn and getting certified, and you can get to enjoy the exciting and fascinating world of car audio systems and how to install different types of audio equipment, not only stereos into a car,